All right, we've all been there. 15 minutes, that's all you've got, and you want to get a yoga practice in there. Well, I am here to tell you that a lot can be accomplished in 15 minutes. And today's practice is an example of that. The beauty of our practice is that it's so varied, and really it can go in so many different directions. This is just one example of a short practice. You could amp it up if you wanted, you could dial it back down if you wanted, but for today, this is what I'm going to take you through. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it really drives home this idea that some practice is always better than none. Yeah, all right. Enjoy. Let's get to it. Hey there. If you have a cranky back, stiff neck, if you're overweight, anxious, or if you simply don't look, feel, or resonate with the images of yoga on social media, you will definitely want to check out my online course, Iyengar Yoga Fundamentals. To begin, sit in swastikasana, a simple cross-legged position. Okay, and then let's start the practice by twisting, Parshva Okay, take your left hand across to the right side, right hand swing it behind you, and then inhale, lift yourself up, exhale, turn yourself to the right. Okay, roll your right shoulder back, and with your left hand here, pull the left side of your body around. With each inhalation, lift upward, and with each exhalation, turn more. Okay, come back to the center, pause here, take a few breaths. Even after twisting just in one direction, just notice the sensitivity, the alertness that comes to the body. Right side, left side. Okay, second side now. Take your right hand across, left hand behind you. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, turn yourself. Turn your abdomen, turn your rib cage, and then roll that left shoulder back and down. With your right hand here, pull the right side of your body around. Chin up a little bit and revolve yourself. And then release. Come back to the center. Okay, now for this round here, you'll change the crossing of your legs, okay? So if you had your right leg crossed in first, then change it so left leg is crossed in. And what I want to show you, we'll go one more time, but just check, because when you're twisting, that back arm here, a lot of times people lean into that back arm. And instead, work to keep the spine straight. So that back hand there, push off with the back hand, right? Push off and move the spine into the body and revolve. Okay, go ahead. Turn yourself to the right, left hand across, right hand behind. You can even turn the fingers of the right hand there back, cupped fingers, roll the shoulder back and push off with that back hand. Push off, don't lean into it. Okay, push off with the back hand, and from the base of your spine to the base of your skull, move the spinal column into the body and turn around that. Okay, chin up a little, revolve, revolve, and then release. Okay, come back to the center, and again, couple breaths. Inhale, exhale. Okay, going for the left side now. Right hand across, left hand behind you, and again, you're looking to not lean back, right? Push off with the back arm. Push off and move that sacrum in and up, back ribs in and up, and then revolve yourself to the left even more. Okay, pull yourself around with your right arm and roll that left shoulder back, 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 back. From the base of the spine to the base of the skull, move the whole spinal column in, turn more. Chin up, you're looking a little bit towards that left side, but you're not leading from the head, right? It's not, you don't want to kink at the neck there. Turn, yes, and then release, come back to the center, and again, take a few breaths. Okay, change it up again, change the crossing, and now let's repeat Parshvaswastikasana, but introduce Urdhva Hasta, arms up, okay? So be in your seated pose here, take a moment, just let your attention, your awareness really drop down and be in the base of your pose. Always in Iyengar Yoga, it's important to understand where is the foundation of your posture. Okay, in this pose, which part of you is touching the ground? The edges of your feet, your buttock bones, this is the base. Descend into those points of contact and ascend up through the crown of your head. Okay, broaden your collarbones, roll your shoulders back, lift your chest. Okay, now this time, raise your arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. And from your wrists, lift the sides of your body up. Extend, extend. Feel how long you are on the right side, how long you are on the left side. Lift, lift, lift. And now maintain this lift. Turn yourself to the right. Keep the length here on the side body, but lower your arms down. Lift and turn. Lift and turn. Roll the right shoulder back, pull the left side around, move the back body into the front body, revolve yourself more. And then release, come back to the center. Okay, so this is the challenge here. You're raising the arms up, and as you do, you may be able to get a little more length on the side body. The challenge is that when you lower those arms down, can you still keep that length, right? Because in that way, the arms almost are a prop. It's a tool. It's helping you lengthen the side trunk. Okay, let's go for the second side. Anchor down through your hips, lift up through the side body, roll your shoulders back, lift your chest. Okay, arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Look up, see that your palms are facing each other, right? You gotta get that rotation of the upper arms. And then reach higher, reach higher, reach higher. Lift your side body up, 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 up. Now turn yourself to the left, turn the abdomen, turn the rib cage, reach up and turn. Maintain the length on the side trunk, lower the arms into position, Parshvaswastikasana. Now roll that left shoulder back and pull yourself around with the right side, with the right arm there. On the inhale, lengthen up, exhale, turn, and see, are you able to maintain that length on the side body as you're twisting? Okay, a lot of times people will lift the shoulders up, so just check that for yourself. Drop the shoulders down and turn more. And then release. Come back to the center. Okay, again, take a few breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Good. Okay, next up, Parvrita action. All right, we'll turn to the right first. So hook your left elbow across and work it down so that you're getting even the upper arm connected here to your outer leg. And if your buttock comes up, no problem. Let it come up and really hook that arm down there. Okay, the hand can then just touch down. Now create a fulcrum. Press the arm against the leg, and with that pressure, now also turn yourself to the right side. Okay, push against your leg here, push off with the right hand, push off the floor, and revolve yourself to the right. Now also work to get that left hip corner down, so you're further lengthening that side of the body. Okay, move the spine in, turn yourself to the right more and more. Press the arm against the leg, pull yourself forward and revolve. Good. Come back to the center. Take a few breaths. That can be can be intense. Deep twist. And now let's go for the second side. Okay, I'll show you the side view here this time. So lift up and then exhale, hook the right arm across. Okay, hook it across here, work the arm down. Work the arm down your leg and then hand comes down. The back hand here, again, don't lean into it. Push off with the back arm and then turn yourself to the left. Okay, press the arm against the leg, turn the abdomen. Press the arm against the leg, turn the rib cage. Now again, if that right hip has come up as you turn to the left, no problem. Let it come up so that you get a good connection, arm against leg, but then turn and start to lower that right hip back down. Feel that extra length that comes. Revolve, revolve, revolve. And then release, come back to the center. Find your breath. Inhale, exhale. Okay, we're not quite done yet. One more. So again, change the crossing of your legs. And this time, add a brick. If you have one, add a brick to the equation. Okay, so what you're going to do here is, as before, hook the elbow across. But now, give yourself some sort of better purchase for the twist. So put some height underneath that back arm. Okay, and now really push off the brick. Lengthen yourself, but then revolve yourself. Go for it. Turn yourself to the right. Okay, get that left arm strongly down, work it down, and then figure out for yourself how much height is appropriate. Does this give you good purchase? Do you want to raise it to the second height? Okay, and then turn. Chin away from the breastbone a little bit. Move the spine in, revolve. Okay, and then undo. And again, breathe. Okay, notice what your breath is like as you start to work through this sequence. All right, second side here, last time for this Parvrita action. So here you're twisting yourself to the left and hook the right arm across. Okay, hook it across. And then back hand here is going to come onto the brick and push off the brick. Lengthen forward and revolve. Lengthen forward and revolve. Okay, anchor down through the opposite hip. Everything else is the same. And turn yourself. But just observe, see, can you get just a little more leverage there by putting that prop underneath the back arm? All right, and then release, undo yourself, take a few breaths, and be here. Okay, next up, take Adho Mukha Svanasana. Okay, plant your palms down, tuck your toes under, and lift up and back. Okay, immediately adjust the weight of each leg towards the back of your toe mounts. Okay, so instead of being forward on the toes, flex one foot, find the back of the toe mount, and then hook it onto the ground. Okay, same with the other leg there. Flex the foot, find the back of the toe mount, and place the foot down. Now push the floor away from you, revolve those upper arms, reach your hips up and back, and then move those thighs from front to back. Shift the weight from the front side to the back side. Descend into your heels, but lift up through your hips. Just keep your ears level between your upper arms. Adho Mukha Svanasana. And then rest for a moment, come down, find your breath. And then just be here in this kneeling position, and let's go up again. Okay, so kneeling position here. Rotate your upper arms. Turn your upper arms outward. Okay, slide your shoulder blades away from your neck. And then with the toes tucked under here, lift your knees up, lift your hips up, and push up and back. Again, come to the backs of the toe mounds and reach up and back. Okay, push the floor down, rotate your upper arms out, and lift your hips higher and higher and higher. Okay, penetrate those groins from front to back. Move your thighs back, knees back. And then as per your capacity, descend the heels but lift the hips. Okay, neck soft, face soft. Breathe. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Okay, and then rest. Come down, take a moment. And come back up. All right, there you have it. I hope that hit the spot for you today, and I look forward to practicing with you again another time.